My name is Edward Phiri from ground handling, line maintenance to be specific. I'm acting crew chief, and on a daily basis when we report either in the night or in the day shift, the first thing that we get is handovers. We do shift planning. By planning I mean we have to check on what we have at the moment. That involves flights, the manpower levels, and the requirement from either our superiors or the airlines and the customers. I've been with Zambia Airport for 5 years now, to clock 6 years in October. Aircraft maintenance engineering is something that I love and enjoy doing. It involves technical, specifically it involves the aircraft. So on a daily basis we do walk-around inspections, we do aircraft refueling upon request from the captain or the airline. For example, I'll give an example of Airlink. Normally we get figures from the captain. We insert figures on the refueling panel. We ensure to say the refueling bowsers and all safety precautions are observed for the purpose of refueling. In a situation where we have passengers on board, we request fire cover in order to promote more safety and a safe working zone on the aircraft. Normally, that's what we do. Apart from that one, we do at the moment aircraft pushback. Aircraft pushback is pushing the aircraft from the stand, and it involved one special tool called the bypass spin. So the bypass spin enables us to maneuver the aircraft using the nose from the parking stand to the designated or the desired taxiway or taxi marking. That's what is done.